The academies are different programs that are really set to get our students to earn an associate degree or college certificate through South Texas College. Some of the benefits in joining the academies is that you are in a cohort approach. So you start with the same group of students. You're able to support each other throughout the academy's course until you graduate with your college certificate. You're also going to be able to be in state-of-the-art classrooms that are going to offer you hands-on experience.
It's been really fun, and I'm learning more about things that I know I'm gonna need in the future. It's really cool, especially because it hasn't been done before, and I like that I'm a part of something that will probably be in our school for a long time, because I get to see it from the beginning, how it first started out.
I'm hoping that that students can see that what we're doing is going to be so beneficial to them. It's going to be hands-on. Not only are they doing projects, projects are good and they learn, but we are doing projects that are actually going to be geared toward their portfolios. I just feel like the experience they're going to get here, aside from the knowledge, aside from the education, just the overall experience is going to be something that students are going to want to come take part in.